bitches? Like, oh my god, what the fuck? Oh my god. I don't know which one's the real one. Tears, by the way, not okay. KD, okay. Okay. I have been marked. Oh god. Where's the health packs? Are there even any health? Hello? Where are the health packs? Where are the health packs? What are we? I don't see any. That's cool, there's so many thingies you can like hit though. Like all of these? What the fuck? Bro. I have not seen- oh. I was like, I have not seen one singular health pack, actually. No. That was mine. Oh. Ow! Ow! Okay. Learning where health packs are? Don't mind me. Don't remind me. Dude, that's like the worst part. I don't have to remember though because I'm not a flyer. Or a diver. Peach. Shut up. Okay. I'm playing with 4 fingers, chat. Shut your fucking mouth. How about that? I'm gonna go. Man, I'm putting my band-aid back then. Jean Grey with her own stand goes hard, not gonna lie. Her own what? Oh, you can go down there? Wait a minute. Wait. Oh, shit. Oh, okay, bye. Oh. Yeah, I'm fucked. Bye. God damn. 4 fingers? Where'd you put the other one? It is floating! My pinky is injured! Chat. I just realized this is the new map. Yeah, the new Clinton map. Oh, yeah, my pinky hurts. Like, what do you want me to do? I'm gonna go put a band-aid back on, because I was like, yeah, it needs to breathe. No, it needs to be covered. They want to add a domination and convoy map for each map type. They're not gonna add anything else? That makes sense, though. Yeah, this is broken. There's no way. And it recharges so fast, too. Wait, I wonder if, like, the more you need, the faster it replenishes? No, it's just same speed. Still fucking insane. Oh my god. We have it for Wakanda, Yggdrasil, and Clinta. How do you say that? Yggdrasil? You can take my pinky. I don't need it. Okay, I'll cut off your pinky and put it on mine, and I'll give you my injured one. Whoa. Oh my god, mushroom trees! Yggdrasil? Oh. Yggdrasil. Yeah, I'm not gonna remember how to say that. What the fuck? We got some DNA. Whoa. I just want to look around. What the fuck they got going on in here? I wish I could kill that thing or like make it explode. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm kind of bad. Oh, I can't. I'm earthbound! Oh shit. Why is Noel's nutsack in the middle of the point? Is that what it is? Map looks great for dive. There's a lot of places to hide. Yeah. Belly, thank you for the gifted sub! Thank you, Belly Belly! Belly, my beloved. Oh, you can dash in the middle of flight too? Oh my god. Jesus Christ! Holy moly. Yeah. I don't know if this is for me though. Like, she's fucking crazy, but nah, I'm a lorder. What am I talking about? I'm a lorder. Fighting these ads? Cope. Cope! 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 You could tier 3 to your favorite streamer. How about that? Watch out! That doesn't even kill him? Holy shit. Doesn't kill a tank. Got it. I have good news. I am ready to hear said good news. What? think it's just Hella, but better in all ways. Yeah, and you guys know I hated Hella, so... You guys know I fucking hated Hella, oh my god. Are we digging Jean? Dude, she's fucking... Yeah, she's definitely broken. Shit's fucked up. Ooh. Oh, I like the little DNA symbol on the actual map, though. What the fuck? What the... Oh, where are you going? Dude, her mobility is fucking crazy. Oh my god. Jesus frick. I'm definitely gonna laud her. Yeah, if you like Hella, you'll like her. That's fucking crazy. Jean Grey could be cooler. The Phoenix next to her the whole time is weird. You kind of just don't look at it. I feel like I don't even like notice her. It does block a little bit of your vision though. I wish you could like